Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Welcome inside a giant factory where MSG is produced from cassava. This advanced technology transforms simple plants into flavor. The process begins with cassava roots grown on tropical farms. Trucks transport tons of cassava to the factory every day. The roots are delivered to the processing line. First, the cassava is thoroughly washed. Dirt and impurities are removed.
Quality control ensures only the best roots are used.
Machines remove the outer skin of the cassava. The clean roots move to the grinding station. Powerful grinders crush the roots into pulp. The pulp contains valuable starch. Machines extract pure cassava starch.
The starch becomes the main raw material.
Engineers monitor every step carefully.
The starch is converted into glucose. Special enzymes break down the starch molecules. This produces a rich sugar solution. The glucose is pumped through pipelines. Now the fermentation stage begins.
Giant tanks host microscopic bacteria.
These bacteria transform glucose into glutamic acid.
Temperature and oxygen are carefully controlled.
The fermentation process takes about 2 days.
Technicians supervise the entire process.
The liquid mixture is filtered. Powerful centrifuges separate particles. Glutamic acid crystals begin forming.
Sodium is added to create MSG.
The solution is pured several times. Water is removed through evaporation. Pure MSG crystals slowly appear. Crystals are collected for drying.
क्रिस्टल खुश्क करने के लिए जमा किए जाते हैं।
Hot air removes remaining moisture. Automated machines package the MSG. Thousands of packets are produced every hour.
Samples are tested for quality. Finished products move to storage warehouses. Trucks deliver the product worldwide.
MSG enhances the delicious umami taste.
Millions enjoy food flavored with MSG.
From cassava roots to global seasoning. This is the technology behind MSG production.
Thanks for exploring the giant factory with us.
Thank you for watching this factory tour. Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.